Inflation is a silent killer for your retirement fund. It erodes the purchasing power of your savings and can dramatically change your retirement plans. If you're relying on fixed income from your savings or investments, the rising cost of living could quickly eat away at what you've worked hard to build. In today's video, we'll break down how inflation impacts your retirement and, more importantly, how to protect your wealth against it. With inflation consistently rising, the value of the dollar is shrinking. It means that $100,000 in your retirement fund won't buy as much tomorrow as it does today. For American retirees, this is a real issue. Whether you're planning to travel, support family, or just maintain a comfortable lifestyle, the dollars you have today might not be enough for tomorrow's costs. So, what can you do about it? One of the first steps is understanding that traditional savings and investment accounts often don't keep pace with inflation. Even the most stable bonds or stocks may struggle to beat inflation consistently, meaning your purchasing power continues to decline. What you need is a more reliable way to ensure your money keeps its value over time. This is where gold IRAs come in. Gold has been a hedge against inflation for thousands of years. While other assets may lose value, gold tends to maintain or even increase in value during periods of inflation. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I recommend checking out the free guide I've linked in the description. Thousands of Americans are now opening gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, and this free guide can show you how. Now, why is it that gold IRAs stand out? First, they allow you to diversify away from paper assets. When the dollar weakens, gold holds its ground. You can protect your savings from inflation and avoid the risk of having your wealth depreciate in a market downturn. Plus, if you're concerned about the volatility of stocks or bonds, gold offers stability when everything else is uncertain. But let's be clear, not all gold IRAs are created equal. Some companies might try to sell overpriced gold or recommend investments that aren't tailored to your needs. That's why it's important to work with a company that has a reputation for offering ethical, cost-effective solutions. We help retirees, just like you, find the best gold IRA companies that offer tailored services based on your unique financial situation. But let's not forget, inflation affects more than just your investments. It impacts your entire retirement strategy. For example, Social Security benefits may not keep up with inflation. If you're relying on that income, it may not stretch as far as you thought. You might also find that healthcare costs are rising faster than anticipated. Again, having the right investments can make a huge difference here. If you want to take immediate action and safeguard your wealth, I encourage you to take advantage of the free gold IRA guide linked below. Whether you have $100,000 or $5 million, this guide will help you navigate your options and find the right path forward to protect your retirement. It's the perfect starting point for American retirees who want to shield their savings from inflation and the unpredictable market conditions we face today. In conclusion, inflation is something every retiree needs to plan for. It's not enough to simply put money away and hope for the best. You need to actively protect your wealth by diversifying. And gold IRAs provide one of the most effective ways to do this. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, click the link in the description for the free gold IRA guide. It's an easy first step towards ensuring that your retirement fund remains safe and secure, no matter what happens with inflation. If you're ready to make sure your wealth is protected, this guide will show you how to do just that, starting today.